Got some petrol. Got the good old petrol can. Throw 40 bucks in the truck. And we're gonna head her down on to Whitby and hit up the car show. Looking right, so got a full truck tonight. Gonna be made. Some Ronas, considering it's Rona season. Okay, we're at 30. Oh, there's the Federowski's rolling in. Yo, that's dope.
Cavalier's supercharged.
I've seen that Cavalier at a few of the meets.
Yeah, the Cavalier's Cadillac.
The Cadillac.
Look at the color of that Beamer. Holy fuck. We got our bong in here. Look, beep.
All night videos, all night. You hope you know that. All night, and then nothing. And then they got scared.
But he's getting a fucking tow. Just got here. Oh dick. Look out.
Another tow. Like it would be like that would be right.
Holy fuck, another tow dick showing up. Two towing dicks.
Two towing dicks.
That Chevy's clean.
That's my buddy's truck.
Is it?
Yeah, he got it off a guy that died.
Yeah, that's a nice truck.
And it was like that. There's so much undercoating on it. Like he had to clean the bottom. Like that's how clean it is, you know? Cause
That's how my truck is. It's literally got like that much on it.
When you wash that away, it's like a nice, clean, brand new vehicle. I hate that late placement. That's what I would do if I was doing it all over again. I know. I just noticed. I know.
Top head.
When I bought the motor 3 years ago.
Look at this fucking Dakota. Oh, those are dope. Yo, that's fucking mint. I gotta ask Buddy what year this is. Holy shit.
What's going on there? I don't know what that is.
That's quite the fucking setup.
I don't even understand how that works. Like, isn't that where the head goes? Or is it
You would.
weird?
That's fucking different.
Why was he winched though?
Whose car is this? The blue in there?
Yeah, that's dope.
That's sick.
Wait, did I meet you through Taylor G or did I? No.
It was fucked last time, bro. AJ brought down the Civic on the truck trail.
Yeah, I saw that. Did he light it up at all, or?
Oh fuck. Well, he wanted to like racing ship, but he had to leave early. So he was like ripping and stuff. Like the car wasn't legal, you know. He just took it there to rip it kind of thing. But
Yeah.
so yeah, he was ripping, but nothing too like crazy. Cause we left early before anything started really happening. Like we seen one slide and then left. It was just one of those nights, you know, where like you had to wait a bit.
Oh, I like that GMC truck.
Yeah, that's pretty sick. Nice car. I was thinking, where did I? Like, I don't want to say I can do it today. It's kind of possible. Like, if you want to help me throw the cover on the bike. Maybe if I can use your sockets. I'm starting work now. Starting tomorrow, I'm working again. So
I was gonna say, do I get that spot or what? Engine like to be
One dude
that's what you do. I'm the different guy. Okay, so yeah, when we go to pull it, just disconnect those and pull them through, pull it with it, right? By the looks of it, you just got exhaust, you got
Someone was checking out your truck.
don't mind if I throw this down.
Just try to keep everything so it's, you can't really see it. Look at the grease sizzling down in that corner. Holy fuck.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Put a bit of roller in there. All kinds of flavor time come it burns up. I could just block off the line. Just like that.
Wonder where they're going.
Look at the stock height on that thing. That's nice. I don't mind that at all. Stock height's pretty cool sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes.
Looks good on those things.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, Child's house later.
Yeah, it is.
Holy fuck! We're gonna light ourselves on fire tonight. Just roasting her.
Where are you?
Oh,
I don't know. With me. That's
Big bitch, big flames.
That was wicked, man. Those flames.
That was wicked. They're like right out to my knees.
I like them. That's tell my dad. Those are some juicy fucking birds.
They're good. They're good birds. We're only at
Right out the
350.
box, too. We didn't have to make them.
Got a big old plate full of dogs. Want
Oh,
dog
yeah.
buds? They're actually fucking good dogs. Line them up. Got dogs to them. That was that, yeah, I was gonna say, that's what RS we were looking at.
Yeah. Sounded amazing.
Look at that PT Cruiser, it's got no hood on and a big
And it's
turbo
got the yellow
sticking out.
dealer plate, bud. See that? That's when you know you're getting.
Illegal as fuck, big turbo on it, look.
Look, oh yeah.
Oh, you messed
Right
up
out
the
the
butt.
hood. Oh, I've seen it though in on.
Nah, that's dope.
Then Jared with the red Civic.
Oh yeah.
Right here, bud. See it?
A quick 1-2 pull.
Yeah, a little bit. Jared.
No, he's
Can't
just
even
potting.
get it, bud.
Just pot.
Just potting down the road. Kid.
There goes 94 Dodge Dakota. Fuck, that sounds good. That's fucking dope. Clean the camera off a bit. Oh, look at the blazer on those fucking rims. That's dope.
Holy shit.
I should do that to my blazer.
Yeah.
That's actually fucking dope.
Look at that fucking big truck, too.
There's no one there yet.
Rig.
Fucking big rig.
Oh, come on.
Just about time for the after party. Time to go to the after party. Very nice.
This guy goes to pick me up like 4. I was on a 5. This guy's like 5. And it's 5.
stopped at the gas station. Maddie wanted to grab some chips. Code is running good. Freaking rates it is. That's quite the vehicle. Holy crap. Alright.
Yo, it's one of the fireworks that when they shoot and it explodes. So it fucking landed on the deck and then
You let yours off yet? Everywhere you look, there's just fucking fireworks. So
Cocaine, codeine, etc. Cocaine and lean is federal. I take wake up, let me know nebula. After Neptune, they get on my schedule. You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight up a lot, 300 cash, and the cocaine with a blood in it. But mama looked that, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping the dope in the stash. In Italy, got too far, hoes they kill me. Drop the top, when it's cold, but you feel the heat. Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast. They say the dope gon' flee. I know that these niggas get sick of me.
Okay. I was right next to me.
Smokey's all fucked.
Do you want a drink, Jade?
Good old fucking tree. All the ashes from the fucking shit's just falling down. It's like it's raining, holy fuck. We friggin' made her home, folks. It was pretty good meat all around. Sorta sucks no one was doing any burnouts or anything, but since it was Canada Day, there's so many people there, it just made it hot. Like, fuck. There was a lot of cops there today. They even had an MTO guy there checking out a few people's cars. So, got a couple drinks for tonight. Should be good. Cracked seal on that. And then, yeah, heavy minty. I'm fucking tired though. I wanna go to bed. Yeah, I got like a... I don't know if that's barbecue grease or what. Nah, I think that's barbecue grease. Gonna have to wash the truck off again. Well, I never did wash the truck, but I washed all the windows today. Anyways, that'll be another day's problem. Fucking like, subscribe, comment. Really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we'll catch you in the next one.